when you enter into the novelty of learning chant, and then learning it through the Hawaiian language, and then learning all about the treasures of Hawaiian chant, and just being able to like make the sounds with your mouth, because they're fairly simple to make, but folks are just afraid to make them. And to some people, they're really weird sounds. So you actually have to get through the silliness that you feel to just be comfortable. That's all I want, is for people to feel comfortable with the sound of their voice. And chant is a pretty easy way to do it. And my grandma says everybody can chant.